Most homes today have multiple entertainment devices, each requiring its own remote control. This creates clutter and confusion when you need to operate different devices. QFX Universal Remote solve this problem by consolidating control of multiple devices into a single remote. One remote can replace all your original remotes, reducing clutter and simplifying your entertainment experience. QFX Universal Remotes use infrared signals to communicate with your devices. They work by mimicking the exact IR signals that your original remotes would send, allowing seamless control of your devices. Programming your QFX remote involves entering specific device codes. These codes correspond to the brand and model of your device, telling the remote which IR signals to send for each button press. Many QFX remotes include a code saver feature and can control multiple devices simultaneously. For example, the REM6 can manage up to 6 devices, while the REM8 can control up to 8 different devices. There are two main programming methods for QFX Universal Remotes. Direct code entry involves manually inputting a 4 or 5-digit code for your device brand. Auto code search automatically cycles through codes until it finds the correct one for your device. Newer QFX models, like the REM13, released in 2024, include modern features such as dedicated buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and YouTube, making them ideal for today's streaming-focused entertainment systems. There are two main methods to program your QFX Universal Remote. First, let's cover the direct code entry method, which uses specific codes for your TV brand. Step 1. Manually turn on your TV using its original remote or power button. Make sure the TV is actually powered on before proceeding. Step 2. Press and release the TV button on your QFX remote. This puts the remote into TV programming mode. Step 3. Press and hold the Setup button until the red light stays on, then release it. If your remote doesn't have a Setup button, press the Power button instead. Step 4. Enter the 4-digit code for your TV brand. You can find these codes in your remote's manual or online. The red light should turn off when you enter the correct code. Step 5. Point the remote at your TV and press the power button. If the TV turns off, programming is complete and your remote is ready to use. Now let's look at the second method, auto code search. This method automatically finds the correct code for your TV. Method 2 is auto code search. This is useful when you don't know your TV's specific code or when direct code entry doesn't work. Start by turning on your TV, then press and release the TV button on your remote to enter TV mode. Next, press and hold the Setup button until the red light stays on, then press the Power button once. If there's no Setup button, press and hold the Power button until the LED starts flashing. The remote will now automatically cycle through all available codes. Watch your TV carefully. When it turns off, immediately press the OK button to save that code. Now let's cover some important troubleshooting tips to help you when programming doesn't work as expected. Here are the most common troubleshooting solutions for QFX Universal Remotes. If auto code search doesn't work, try manually entering codes from the provided list in your remote's manual. Different TV models may require different codes even from the same brand. If the remote doesn't function correctly after programming, or if only some buttons work, repeat the entire programming process from the beginning with the next code in the list. Make sure your remote is in the correct device mode before programming. The TV button should be pressed first to ensure you're programming the TV function. To reset your QFX remote to factory defaults, simply press the sequence 9901. This clears all programmed codes and returns the remote to its original state. Remember, when replacing batteries, your programmed settings are retained for about 5 minutes, giving you time to change the batteries without losing your codes.